Hi, my name is Cassie. I'm going to talk about my research on worldwide suicide rate. Death by suicide is an extremely complex and painful issue. The goal of this project is to contribute to an informed and open way to eliminate suicide. Let's look at the map overview of suicide rate from 1991 to 2016. Suicide rate ranged from blue to red. Blue represents low suicide rate and red represents high rate. We can see that over 25 years, Russia went from orange to red to orange. There are other countries such as South Korea, Lithuania. They have red. They are in red range as well. The tree map shows Lithuania has the highest average suicide rate. I plot the box plot to examine outliers. Those are the outliers. They have extremely high suicide rates. From this part, we can also see that most of the countries have more than 50% of the employment rate. And the circle size means income. We can guess that countries with high income and high employment rate usually have lower suicide rates. Based on the bump chart, there are 8 countries. Those other countries have been in top 3 positions over 25 years at least once. We can see that from the bump chart, we can see that Hungary has dropped from top 3. Russia has stayed in top 3. Based on the research on the internet, it is due to males' alcohol abuse and Russia's economic crisis in 1998. This event also affected Lithuania. Thus, this is one of the reasons why Lithuania has an increasing suicide rate. It caught to my attention that Korea has got into top 3 position in recent years. This is the bar chart. It's an overview of those 8 countries. Here, it is the suicide rate trends among 8 countries. We can see that South Korea has an increasing trend, while other countries have decreasing trend. I want to examine the relationship between income and suicide rate. So it's surprising that I found that the income and suicide rate has a positive relationship in South Korea, which means the high income they have, the high suicide rate it goes. I think this is due to the high stress in professional and educational environments. And the economically successful state has startling higher suicide rates. And people with mental illness such as depression and anxiety are more likely to commit suicides. Here are the other countries. There's a negative relationship between income and suicide rate. So I want to say that in order to prevent more suicides, we need to pay more attention on our mental health and know how to relax so that there won't be more people commit suicides. Thank you.